The sun rose bright, filling the yard with golden light as Bluey bounced excitedly, her eyes shining with curiosity. She held a toy walkie-talkie and shouted, "Rescue team, are you ready?" Her voice firm like a real leader. Bingo saluted. "Yes, Captain Bluey." While Coco, Snickers, and Winton gathered, tails wagging, eager for the big adventure. Bluey explained the plan. "Today, we are the rescue team. If anyone's in trouble, we rush to save them." Her friends gasped with excitement, their imaginations already sparking. 5 seconds later, Muffin cried dramatically, "Help, help, I'm stuck on the tower," pointing at the slide. Bluey snapped into action. "Rescue team, let's move out." They raced across the grass, shouting orders. Snickers became the medic, Coco carried a pretend rope, while Bingo pretended to drive the rescue jeep with loud, vroom sounds. Together they reached Muffin, holding out their arms as if lifting her down. Muffin cheered. "You saved me," her bow bouncing as she giggled. But the mission wasn't over. Suddenly Winton announced, "The river is flooding," pointing at a puddle after last night's rain. Bluey barked, "Form a chain," and the pups lined up, pretending to pull stranded toys out of the water. Their teamwork made the game more thrilling, each friend laughing while still taking the mission seriously. 10 seconds later, Coco shouted, "Emergency, my teddy's trapped in the burning house," pointing at the play tent. Bluey didn't hesitate. "Rescue hose," she ordered. Bingo ran with a bucket of leaves, tossing them like water. Everyone cheered as the fire went out, their teamwork making the rescue feel epic. Then it was Snickers' turn to cry. "I'm lost in the jungle," hiding behind the bushes. Bluey led the team with brave steps, shouting, "Stay calm, we'll find you." They marched through the wild forest, calling Snickers' name until he leapt out roaring like a tiger, making everyone shriek with laughter. Finally, Dad peeked outside, curious about the commotion. "What's going on here?" he asked. Bluey puffed her chest proudly. "We're the rescue team, Dad. We saved everyone today." Dad chuckled. "Well, heroes deserve ice blocks," handing them each a cool treat. The pups squealed, their tails wagging furiously as they licked the icy snacks. As the sun lowered, the rescue team gathered together, tired but glowing with happiness. Bingo whispered, "We really are the best team ever." Bluey nodded firmly, her eyes shining. "Because we always help each other." The friends hugged, their hearts full of joy, their imaginations still buzzing with endless possibilities. Bluey turned to the camera, her grin wide. "If our rescue team made you smile, give a like, hit subscribe,